Once you have registered with LaborLink, you as the farm owner will receive the email which will include the employee bulk CSV upload template file. You will need to complete this template with all your employee details and then send it back to us for validation. Next step is farm owner onboarding. Will you receive an email with a link? Once you have clicked on the link, it will take you to our login page where you click on the sign up button. You will then enter your basic details as the farm owner. You will need to complete the onboarding steps. Congratulations, the site security is now in your hands. 1. Receive OTP from email. 2. Fill in farm name and full address. 3. Add HR manager's information. 4. Set organization hierarchy. 5. Set risk appetite. 6. Choice of custom or LaborLink contract. 7. Select employee count. 8. Select starter plan. 'By now, your HR should have received an email with a link. Your HR will now be able to log in with their email address and password that they received via email. 1. Enter personal details and accept contract terms and conditions. 2. Upload ID card for verification. 3. Biometric registration. 4. Choice of custom or LaborLink contract. Now, you can easily bulk upload employees onto the system. Click on the Labor tab on your toolbar on the left, then click on the Import button in the top toolbar. Now, you can upload the validated CSV file that was sent back to you via email. Once imported, you then need to click on Upload CSV. Once the file has been uploaded, you can then view and edit labor details by clicking on an employee name. This is where you complete the employee profile by uploading their ID document, biometrics, and contract. On the toolbar to the left, you will find Incidents. This is where you can report anything that includes security incidents, labor conduct, and other incidents. Here's how you will report an incident. For example, a security incident. First, search for the employee you want to report. Then you fill in the details of incident site, nature of offense, incident title, and subclassification. Next, you will fill in the date of the incident and who it was reported by. Once completed, you click on Save. Your incident will then be saved under Incidents, where you can also view all previous cases that have been reported. Any incidents previously recorded will then be flagged on their profile to be viewed at any time. This will also contribute to their risk status, which can be viewed on their profile. Recording a good deed is another function that be used to recognize an employee's positive action. You can easily find this function by clicking on Record Good Deed under the employee's profile. This information can also be viewed on an employee profile at any time.